Blessed and happy Friday to all of you, my dear friends, my dear brothers and sisters, my dear good people of God, faithful followers of the Daily Gospel Reflection with Father Jack. My dear kababayans, today is June 20, 2025, and today is Friday within the 11th week in Ordinary Time, Year C. Today's Gospel is from the beautiful and the wonderful account of the Gospel of Matthew, chapter 6, verses 19 to 23. My dear friends, in today's Gospel, Jesus speaks to us with both tenderness and urgency. And He's telling me and you, do not store up for yourselves treasures on earth. In a world that constantly pressures us to measure our worth by what we have, measure our worth by what we possess, like our status, our outward success, the certificates that we have, the Lord gently reminds us that these things are passing. All are not eternal. They can be taken, broken and lost. But the treasures we store in heaven, like acts of love, moments of mercy, deeds of kindness, and quiet sacrifices made for others, this can never be stolen. Let us not fall into the trap of materialism that blinds our eyes, blinds the heart, and dims our soul. Materialism brought about by greed will blur our vision of eternity. Greed will blur our vision of heaven. And Jesus continues saying, where your treasure is, there your heart will be also. How true this is, right? What we value most will shape how we live and who we become. That's why, my dear friends, do not be possessed by what you possess. If our hearts are consumed with money, consumed by image or possessions, we risk becoming empty, restless, and afraid to lose what we cling to. But if we treasure God above all and place love, generosity, and truth at the center of our lives, then even times of hardships, even times of trials and temptations, our hearts will remain full of meaning and happy. Because in the end, the most important things are not things. Today, I challenge all of you. I urge you, my dear friends, my dear brothers and sisters, my dear parishioners, to examine the eyes of our soul. Are they clear or clouded by the glitter of this world? A healthy spiritual vision, sees God's presence in every person, in every moment, in every act of kindness. Are your eyes healthy? Let us strive to live with open hands and humble hearts. Let us invest our lives in what truly lasts, not truly finite and temporal. Invests our lives in what truly lasts, like faith, family, compassion, service, prayer. For when we do all those things, we are not just living wisely. We are storing up treasures in heaven where joy is eternal and love never fades. Remember, all that is not eternal is eternally useless, because what is essential is invisible to our eyes. If you love and like this reflection, kindly share it with your friends, share it with your family, make the Word of God viral so that many will be blessed.